There are creators right now making thousands of dollars every single month from videos that aren't even real. No camera, no actors, no real shooting, just AI generated videos, pulling millions of views again and again. And I'm not saying this for hype. One of my own videos in this niche crossed over many million views, and there are channels consistently making more than $8,000 per month doing exactly this. Now think about it logically. If one video can bring millions of views and you upload consistently, you are not relying on luck anymore. You are building a system, and the best part, right now, this niche is still early, which means less competition, higher reach, and more opportunity to grow fast. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process, not just basic steps, but the exact way to think, structure, and generate these videos using AI. From idea to script, to video generation, to editing, to final upload, everything. And once you understand this properly, you can repeat it again and again. Let's start with the most important part, understanding what actually works. Most people make a mistake here. They try random ideas, but you don't need to guess. Go to Google AI Studio. This tool is completely free, and it can analyze videos like a human. Take any viral video in this niche, copy the link and paste it into AI Studio. Now give a simple instruction. Watch this video and explain what is happening. Analyze the structure, pacing, and story. Now wait. Within a few seconds, it will break everything down for you. It will explain what is happening in the video, how the story starts, how tension builds, how it ends. This step is extremely important because now you understand the pattern behind viral content. You're no longer guessing. Now once AI understands the format, the next step is creating your own story. You don't want to copy, you want to replicate the structure. So ask AI Studio to generate a similar idea. Make sure you clearly mention first-person perspective, a dog involved, a strong emotional or dangerous situation. For example, a rescue situation, a natural disaster, someone stuck somewhere, or a risky moment. Now listen carefully. This is where most people fail. They focus on visuals, but visuals don't make money. Story makes money because story creates retention, and retention creates views, and views create money. So take your time here. Once you get your story, the next step is structuring it properly. Ask AI Studio to divide the story into 3 parts. Beginning. This is where the situation is introduced. Middle. This is where tension increases and things become intense. Ending. This is where the resolution happens. This simple structure is extremely powerful because it keeps people watching till the end, and YouTube pushes videos that people finish watching. Now convert this structure into actual prompts. Ask AI Studio to generate 3 detailed prompts based on those 3 parts. Each prompt should describe the environment, the action, the camera angle, first person, the emotion. Now you have 3 ready-to-use prompts. This is your entire video blueprint. Now we move to the most exciting part, video generation using Google VO3. Open VO3, paste your first prompt. Now set your settings properly. Keep the format vertical, 9 to 16. This is important for shorts. Set duration around 8 to 10 seconds. This gives enough time for the scene to feel real without dragging. Now generate. Within moments, you will get a realistic first-person video. Now repeat the same process for the second and third prompts. But here's something important. You need consistency. So while writing prompts, mention same location, same dog, same situation progression. This ensures all clips feel connected. Otherwise, your video will feel random. Now, sometimes the output won't be perfect. You might see small glitches, camera angle changes, slight inconsistencies. That's normal. These videos don't need perfection. They need realism. If something feels wrong, regenerate. That's part of the workflow. Once all your clips are ready, download them. Now move to editing. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Import all your clips. Now arrange them in chronological order. Beginning, middle, ending. Now watch your video once. Trim any unnecessary parts. Remove glitches or awkward frames. Keep the flow smooth. Now comes a very important step. Subtitles. Most people ignore this, but subtitles increase retention because people can understand the situation even without sound. In CapCut, just click auto subtitles. It will generate everything for you. Choose a clean style. Don't over-design. Keep it simple. If you want, you can also add light background sound or effects, but it's optional. The main focus should always be story and pacing. Now export your video in high quality, and your video is ready to upload. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. This is not about making one video and hoping it goes viral. This is about building a repeatable system, because once you understand this process, you can create multiple videos, and every video is a new chance. More uploads means more opportunities. More opportunities means more more views, and more views means more money. Right now, this niche is still not saturated, which means early movers have the advantage. The tools are free, the process is clear, and the system works. So the only thing left is execution, because the people making money from this are not smarter. They just started earlier and stayed consistent.